Good day, everyone. I'm OlaMaye and welcome to my channel. Today I have a what TF did I order. These are a couple packages that I received from eBay, and we are going to open them up and find out what's in them together. And hopefully I do not cut the contents. So let's see. It is small, so more than likely it's an accessory. Oops, I'm trying not to drop my scissors. Okay. Oh, this is a Dooney Bourke eyeglass case. I thought this was very cute. And I really wasn't aware that Dooney Bourke made a lot of eyeglass cases years ago. So this one was for a very good price. And it looks good. The color itself is a very deep red color. Let's see. Yeah, it's not cranberry. I would just say it's a very deep red. I don't know how else to describe it. And the trim, it is brown tomorrow. It looks like it. A very dark trim. And let's look at the insides. Not bad. So that's definitely a great accessory to have, is a Dooney Bourke eyeglass case. And I found out or realized from fellow content creator DD Bean that these DBs are actually a saddlebag. I did not know that, but if you look really close, you can see that it's an actual saddlebag purse. So I thought that was really neat and pretty as well. So that's the first item. Oh, I'm opening it from the wrong end. Pretty clean, but of course I will sanitize it and put it to use because my sunglasses and glasses can surely fit in there. So let's go ahead and open the second item. And if you all are enjoying my content, feel free to subscribe and hit that notification bell as well, so that you are made aware each time I upload a video. And to all of my returning subscribers and viewers, thank you so much for watching, commenting, liking, and sharing. I really do appreciate it. Let's see. I don't think there's just, ooh, it's just a cushion. Some snowflakes in it. Okay, this is a cute Western bag that I bid on. And I felt like this color was very unique as well. Let's see if I can describe this color. I would probably say in Dooney Bourke colors, it's close to elephant. But the brand, let's see. Bandana by American West. So it's by American West, but it's by, I guess, like their sub company, Bandana. And so it has a back pocket here. The interior is pretty. A snap button pocket in front of the slip pocket, and this cute buckle button closure, and it does have a zipper. Oh, and there's a strap in there too. Can't be mad at that. And just looking at it right away, it's making me think of the Western bags by Dooney Bourke, because their interior is similar to this, except for the interior is blue on all of the, I believe on all of the Dooney Bourke Western bags. But this bag, it looks pretty new and unused. I don't really see anything inside, but that is a pretty inside. So I guess that's why it's called bandana. And it just has a zip pocket closure. Then on this side, it does have a full slip pocket that goes all the way across the purse. No feet, but it looks like it can be used as a crossbody bag or a shoulder bag. So let's try attaching the strap. Yeah, the strap looks like it could be, well, yes, it has room to be extended out. But let's put it on and see how it looks with the strap on it. There we go. That took a minute, huh? Okay. So all in all, I am happy with my purchase. If I recall correctly, I believe I paid about $15 for this purse, which is not a bad deal at all. American West brand purses are usually not very cheap. If this would have been fully hand tooled, it would have been much more expensive. But since this is like a sub company of American West, they did actually put the, attach the tooling to the bag itself. So just to give you a close-up of it. And comment below if you all like quote-unquote Western purses or not. If you have any in your collection, or if that's something that you would add to your collection. I do love hand-tooled bags, and I love Western bags as well. So I am glad to add this one to my collection. And I do look forward to carrying it and adding some accessories to it also. But like I said, overall, I am happy with both of my purchases. I do now have an eyeglass case, a Dooney Bourke eyeglass case, and another Western bag to add to my collection. So looks like it was a win-win on this What TF Did I Order this time around. So thank you all so much for watching. I will see you all in the next video. And as always, have a wonderful day.